How to get your Instagram account back in 2021. So your Instagram account has just been disabled for literally no reason that you can think of. And now all of your photos and memories are just gone. If you're looking to get it back, you've come to the right place. I had my Instagram account disabled, actually disabled many times, and I've gotten it back each time. You can still see that it's active right now. So those are my credentials. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. So usually you'll notice that your account has been disabled because you tried to open Instagram and it says your account has been disabled. This pop-up window will pop up, and what you're going to want to do is click Learn More. This will bring you to a kind of account verification page. It'll say that it'll text a phone number that you enter a code, which you will then need to put back into the Instagram app. So you'll want to put your phone number in and then get ready to receive a text. If you don't receive a code, then try someone else's phone number that you know who can send you the code once they get it. Once that works for you, you've finished step 1. Step 2 is to fill out the Instagram help forms. This is the part of the process that is the most helpful to people, so I definitely recommend filling out these forms. Now in my previous videos, I linked forms that are no longer working anymore, so I scoured the internet for new forms and I found a whole list of new forms for you guys to start filling out. These forms actually work and should be able to help get your account back better. So check out those new forms in the description and definitely fill them out, keep filling them out. I know it only took me 24 hours to get mine back off the first form, but for some people it takes 8 months and all they've been doing is just filling out the forms and they get it back. So it's really random and I know it sucks and it's tedious, but the forms seem to be the only way to get it back with this method. So after you've finished filling out the forms, you've finished step 2. Step 3 is to receive an email from Instagram or Facebook. They're both the same company. You're gonna wanna follow the directions that the email says. Depending on which form they reply to, they're gonna have different directions for what they want you to do. I go into this step in more depth in my previous videos, so I'm not gonna go over it again here, but definitely check out my other videos if you're looking for more help. Basically, you're just gonna follow the steps that they lay out in that email, so it's not too hard. So once you've responded to Instagram, hopefully then they'll send you the email that says they've reactivated your account and you should be able to get back in. If you're still not able to get back in and they've sent you that email, then you can check out a video that I've done previously. I have so many videos on this topic, I'm gonna say that so much in this video, but I do have 10 whole other videos on this topic that you can go and check out for more specific detailed information if you get stuck at any part of the process. So once you've successfully done that, you've finished step 3 and you have your account back. Congratulations. Now I'm gonna jump into some tips and tricks that I've picked up from having my account disabled and helping other people with their accounts and seeing what you guys are writing in the comment section. What I've done is I've linked 2 articles in the description of this video that will help you with, those specific steps that they email you about, how to take photos with the best lighting, what to specifically fill out on the forms that give you the best results. Tip 2 is I've linked all the forms in my description below. I have so many forms, it's like between 5 and 10 forms now. Absolutely crazy. But you should definitely check out each one and try and fill it out, see if it applies to you. Tip 2.5 is kind of, do not fill these forms out like every 5 minutes. You're gonna want to fill them out only once or twice a day. This is to avoid getting IP blocked by Instagram. If you keep sending them stuff over and over again, they're gonna think you're a spam or bot, and they're gonna block you from submitting more forms. So you only wanna do 1 or 2 a day. Tip 3, if this isn't the first time your account has been disabled, say it was disabled, you followed these steps, you got it back, but then it got disabled again. I have a video for that too. That happened to me. My account's been disabled so many times, but it seems like my account is back for good now. Fingers crossed, knock on wood. It hasn't been disabled in a while, and you can find out what exactly I did in my other videos. Okay, the last part of this video, I just wanted to talk about the comment section, everything you're gonna see in the comment section below. In my other videos, I've had my comment section on this kind of only what you see is what I approve, meaning people can just comment whatever they want, but it's not going to show up until I approve it. Now I did this because I had noticed that there were so many spam accounts and so many bots just sending, message this hacker and they'll get your account back, this hacker got me my account back, or this person is amazing, DM them on Instagram. Moral of the story, they will hack your account if you give them your account information, so definitely do not do that. If someone is asking you for money or you need to pay someone to get your account back, do not do it. They're going to take your money and leave you with your disabled account still. The reason I say that is because I'm keeping comments on this video and my past videos now because I have 11 videos on the topic. I'm just one person. I can't go through and approve each of these comments anymore. I was doing it in the past, but now it's just eating up too much of my time and I need to move on, and I trust you guys to be smart, don't fall for it, okay? You should be able to differentiate between a real person and a bot account. But if you do need extra help or extra information, you can look at all of my past videos. There's so much information in all of those videos. Definitely look at them if you're struggling on any part of the process. Also, with my past videos, the comment section as of right now is very clean. It's all human people, so you should check out the comment section of my past videos because people have been leaving their own experiences and their own helpful tips, their own helpful tricks, what worked for them and how they got their account back. There are a few other methods to getting your account back. This is the forms method, but there's also other ones like the Facebook ads method, which I go into in my previous videos a little bit. So that is everything you need to know about getting your disabled Instagram account back in 2021. I hope you get your account back, and I'll see you in the next one.